YouTube, it's your girl Nazi Naz and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, hi, thanks for stopping by. I'm Naz and on this channel I mostly talk about forcing natural hair and how to take care of it, but I also do lifestyle and travel vlogs. And as you can tell, your girl did her hair. Yes, thank you. I'm excited and you should be too, okay? I have here these shorts, shoulder length box braids that I did on myself. Absolutely love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's low maintenance, it's low key. You can do whatever you want with it. Mostly leave it alone because it's a protected style, but it's okay. Do you, boo-boo, do you. I'll have the details to what I used in the video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So if you enjoy this look, keep watching. Okay, let's get right into it. My hair is freshly washed and blow dried, and it's been raining, so my hair has shrunk a little bit, but it's enough to get the comb through it. Okay, so I section my hair off like this. This just makes the plan more manageable. I like to start from the back to the front, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my rows and maybe start a few, and then I'll come back to show you guys how I do the front. Okay, I'm back and I have made my rows. I like to section them off before I do anything because parting is pretty much the hardest part for me. That's what I got. This is the back of the thing. Hope you can see that, but that's the best I can do. I'm back. Okay, so I'm not gonna hold y'all. I took a nap that was like 4 hours long by accident, which means I'm halfway done, and it's about 8 p.m. Apply a little bit of the jam to the ends of my hair to smooth it as I braid, and it's gonna look like that. I'm gonna pinch the middle and bring my fingers forward, and I take my middle finger as another base. Come around, put it right on top of the my actual hair, and I pinch it with my pointed finger my thumb, and then I just pull it around. And it's like 3 strands, so I have one here, one here, and the third one. This method like really like helps me get it closer to my scalp. And then I just start braiding. So 1, 2, 3. And then when I get to like the very end of my hair and I know I'm gonna tie it off, I just take like half of the Kanekalon hair and then half of the other side. And now I have 3 strands like all over the hair. And that's just how I do it. So I know I'm already past the point of where my hair is. I just bring some of the others forward to figure out where the end of the others are. Like that's a good stopping point. So I just do another plait. Just take one of the black rubber bands and I tie it off. I don't have a certain amount of time, just when I feel like it's secure. And that's how you do a plait. All right, on to the next. Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm tired. I'm gonna leave it. We're gonna leave this for tomorrow. We're gonna get our rest. But this is what she's looking like so far. I haven't added any more curly pieces just because it's a little annoying to braid over. Like it's just in the way. We're gonna continue this tomorrow. She's back. I've finished up 3/4 of my hair, I would say. And I just have about 4 more rows to go. I'm really nervous about the length. I went just a little bit lower of what my actual hair length is. And then I'm gonna cut them. But I don't know if it's gonna be even because my hair has not been cut professionally in a long time to make it even. But we're just gonna see. Gonna go with it. She is finished. I am tired. cut the majority of them. I'm gonna come back when this section is done. And we're back. And I've cut them just the length. And I'm just gonna apply a few more of those all around my head. Alright you guys, that is how I achieved this look. If you guys like it, go ahead and leave this video a big thumbs up. If you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I post. Alright guys, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!